Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add an email account to Outlook. So the first thing you want to do is click on search, look up Outlook, then click on the first app. Once you are here, you can see all your emails of your existing account, but we also obviously want to add a new account. So we're going to click on add account. Then here you want to fill in your email address. It can be Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo or anything else. You can choose your own. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine. It's a Gmail account. Then click on continue. Then I will get a browser pop-up right here. As you can see, I have to join in, so I'm gonna click on my account. Then click on continue. Then I wanna see all the things that I wanna allow Outlook to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on select all. Go down, click on continue. Right here, I wanna click open link. Then I just gotta wait a little bit and it will go ahead and work. So as you can see here, it says success. So we're gonna go ahead and click done. And now as you can see, we have access to our second account and we can see all the emails of this account. That was it guys. Hope you all found this video helpful and peace.